Now that you're wrapped up with your exams and all the books, you have plenty of time on your hands. I know you feel like sleep is all you need right now, but at some point, you're going to get bored and restless. So what can you do? According to research, most students seem to find their talent during their vacations by trying different hobbies. That's right. So friends, this vacation it's time to start finding the best of yourself through some hobbies that can help you better develop your overall self. Without wasting any time, let's look at the hobbies you must try during the holidays. Number 1. Cooking. Now that you're going to be at home for a longer time, you're to feel a little hungrier. If you're hungry, just reading this, we've got some news. The kitchen is calling you. It's time to get up and learn some cooking yourself. You start off with smaller snacks and go up to cooking a bigger dish. However, make sure you're using the stove and other appliances under supervision so that you don't actually burn a kitchen down. You can work with recipes or try something yourself and even record it and share it with your friends. So, are you ready to be a master chef? Number 2. Calligraphy. Here's a way to better your handwriting as well. Learn the art of design. Learning calligraphy changes your perspective and the way your mind works too. Now you can sit back, get a notebook and some calligraphy pens online or from a stationery. You can write on cards, covers and more. Studies have also shown that students retain the spelling of a word much better when they are writing the word out by hand. So, learning calligraphy and handwriting are an incredible way to develop fine motor skills and increase memory retention. We have a video here to help you improve your handwriting. Just click and improve your handwriting for good. Number 3. Mehendi. If you love to decorate and design, this one is just for you. Mehendi is a beautiful way of creating art with henna. The best part? It is inexpensive. You can master art easily too and soon start doing for all family weddings and more. Exciting, right? I know you may feel like you need some mentoring on how to get started, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Sign up for our Mehendi packages that we curated especially for you. Number 4. Origami. Art is never a bad idea, especially when you can use paper around you and not just throw it out. Origami is the art of paper folding, which is often associated with Japanese culture. Now, you may ask, how will you benefit from this, right? Origami will teach you the value of collaborative learning while also improving math skills without studying. You are going to transform a flat sheet of paper into three-dimensional figure is a one-of-a-kind practice that will help you to develop distinct thinking skills too. How can you learn this distinct art, you ask? We've got all what you need. Check out our website and sign up for an origami course that will get things going for you right away. What's better, right? So go ahead, have fun with paper. Number 5. An instrument. According to research, exploring the advantage of music, practicing a musical instrument daily can help reduce stress and teach you skills you never know you'd have. So, now that you've got some time, pick up an instrument that you may think that will suit you the best. Take some advice from a musician online or from someone that you may know and begin learning. You will soon be able to entertain the whole family, impress your friends, and teach yourself a whole new skill. Music is one way to stay happy and calm through a student life. Number 6. Making music. Yes, you can do this by learning an instrument too. But what's more? Have you ever wanted to be a music producer, a singer, or a rapper? You can accomplish this from the comfort of your own home, even with a very basic gadget like a phone. You can download a recording app, play your instrument or an instrument track online and record yourself. You can watch some videos on vocal exercises and other tips and master your art to perform. It's also a good idea to take some feedback from your family and friends while you keep practicing. Number 7. Dance. Looking for a way to stay fit, active and yet have a lot of fun? Well, dance is your option. So if you want to learn different moves, techniques and dance genres at a pastime, all you need is your body and an open mind. What's nice about learning to dance is that you may pick from a wider variety of genres, including soft commentary, hip-hop and partner-based dances like ballroom dancing. You don't have to be flexible to begin with. And know that whatever your body type, dance is for you. If you feel confident enough, you can even record some videos and teach many others some dancing moves. Now there's more wasting time or getting bored. You can be brand new person with better skill in just a short period of time during your vacations. You know that you can also try each of these hobbies one at a time while focusing on what you love the best from home. If you think we missed something you'd want to know more about, mention it in the comment section below and tell us which hobby you're going to try first. With that, we wish you a happy vacation and good luck at whichever hobby you decide to try. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends that might call you and say they are bored. Thank you.